Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to create a responsive and a minimal type of portfolio. So this is the first part of the series in which we will design the index page. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll grab the source code of the responsive sidebar navigation from our website or the blog, and then we will edit it to create the index page for the portfolio. So let me do that first, and after that we have to do copy and paste this, remove this one, style.css, and then paste all the CSS just in here, and then this responsive CSS, so let me paste this and let's see. So you can see here this sidebar navigation is just here, and then what we'll do is copy the JavaScript and then paste it in app.js. So now you can see here it is completely responsive, so you can see here. So what I'll do here is just add a line of JavaScript. So let me just do here burger dot translate dot toggle, and then FA times. So what this will do is, let me show you. You can see the icon changes into the times symbol. So you may be seeing here a blank here, so it is because we have not added any image in our folder. So let me do that now. So now you can see here I have a profile.png file in the source folder. So I will add that file in here, profile. So it's JPG, so I'll make it PNG and save it. Now you can see here the image is being shown here, and then it is also responsive in design. So now the next what we'll do here is, in the main content we will remove this one and add our own content. So the title will be title itself, only the content will be changed. So I'll write here greetings from John Doe. So you can see here greetings from John Doe, and the next thing we'll do here is just rename it to John Doe. So you can see here John Doe. So after that we will do some other things as well. So what I'll do here is, so p dot line dash 1 and animation typewriter. So let me add one dot here as well. So yeah, you can see here, and then I will write web developer, and then I will create an anchor tag, and in the href, now let me do this, just hash symbol, and inside the anchor tag we will write a button with a class name of message btn. So here this will be a message button, and inside the button we will have a iframe with a class name fas and fa dash envelope, and then after the icon we will have a text message zone. So you can see here now is the text and the message button as well with the icon. And the next thing we'll do is style this all. So let me open up the CSS, and then what we'll do is after the dot title we'll do dot line 1 position relative, then top of 45%, and then width of 14 rem. So here you can see the text is now in somehow in the middle, and then what we'll do, margin 0 from top and bottom and auto from left and right. So it's in center now. After that we'll do border right 2 pixel solid RGBA, and then 255 and 0.75. So now you can see here the blinking type of cursor type of thing, and then font size of 180%, and then font weight of bold. So now you can see the text bigger in size now, and then we'll do white space and then no wrap. So now you can see nothing changed, but we'll do the animation type thing here. So overflow hidden, and then transform, and then translate y to -50%, and then the color of the text to be F3, F5, F9. So basically what we are trying to do is do the typewriter animation type of thing in this text of web developer. So after that, let me do dot anim typewriter, animation typewriter, and then we will create some keyframes as well. Add keyframe, and then the identifier will be typewriter, and inside which we'll do from width 0 to width of 14 rem. So inside of here we'll do animation typewriter 4-second steps, and then 13, and then 1 second 1, and then before the semicolon 1 second 1, and then normal, and then both. So you can see here the animation type thing is just working. So now what we'll do is the cursor blinking effect, and then here we will do is infinite as well in the typewriter animation, so that it won't stop after finishing one only. So it seems there's some problem. Let me fix this. Now what we'll do now is copy and paste this again, and then I will do this step starting and 1 second, and not normal in both but only infinite. Now it should work. Yeah, you can see it's working. Now we'll create the blinking cursor animation. So add keyframes, and the identifier will be blink text cursor, and then from border right, then RGBA 225, 225, 225, 0.75. Let me do here color also now, and then 2 border right, and then color transparent, so we can achieve the blinking cursor animation. And I will add the animation as well. Blink text cursor, and then of 500 milliseconds, and then steps of 13, and then infinite, and then also normal. So now you can see the animation is looking quite good than the previous one. So now what we'll do is we'll style this button. So for that I'll write some CSS after the keyframes. So dot message button. So ignore the background noise. I tried my best to remove the background sound, but there may come some background noise, so please cooperate with that. So after color I will do position of relative again, and margin again of 0 from top and bottom, and auto from left and right, then top of 50%, and then left of 40%. Now you can see the position of the button it changed. The next thing we'll do now is text align center, and then font size 100%. So now you can see, so nothing much, but we'll fix that. Then font weight of normal, and then background color of hash 6 BAAF7 and then border of 2 pixel solid in the same color. So you can see here the color changed, and after that outline of none and then height of 50 pixels and then width of 25%, and then let me show you here. Now you can see the change here, and after the width we'll do border radius 10 pixels and then cursor to be pointer, then transition to be 1 second. So you can see here it's also responsive in design. So the next thing we'll do now is .fa envelope and then padding from the right 5 pixels so that it will be a little spaced out here so it's not stuck with one another. And then we will do dot message button and then hover animation, the background color to be transparent and then transition 1 second. So you can see here the nice animation type of thing here. So the next thing what we'll do is to make our design consistent throughout the layout. We will do all the coloring of the sidebar in the bluish type of tone like in the button. So for that what I'll do is change the color of the first of all of the sidebar and the wrapper. So for that I have a color code that also has this one 6BAAF, this one. So you can see the color changed, and the next color is for H3 and it's on background color. I think we should not give this. You can remove this one, and then you can see here it's changed to the bluish tone. And then for the logo, what's the color code? Let me see. The color code here has this 27 to 47 dB. Now you can see this border kind of thing also changed. The next thing is the color of the LI, and during the hover we will change the color and in the active state as well. Has 7AP1F5. So the color here will be this light bluish type, and the same color in the active state as well. Do that, and then what we shall do now? Let me see. Is the design responsive till now? Yes, it's responsive, but the color doesn't match here, so we'll do some changes in the media query as well. So this will not be green, this will be, I think, this one. Let me see. Yes. Oh, nice. It's nice. Now, what next? I think this is it for this first part, or the index page. Thanks for watching. Bye.